Hot weather doesn't just make you sweat. It makes sound travel faster. Like and follow if you've never thought about how heat affects sound. Sound travels by vibrating air molecules, and in warmer air, those molecules move faster. That means sound waves can pass through them more quickly. For every 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature, sound speed increases by about 0.6 meters per second. So yes, on a hot day, sound actually gets to your ears faster. Heat doesn't just rise, it speeds up sound too. Subscribe for more science hiding in plain air.